Hello, my name is Sanya. I am a psychologist, and the most of my time I'm researching and trying to answer on two basic questions. First question is, how can we cope with the most common life problems, and how can we improve our lives? How can we live the best we can, and how can we improve ourselves? I gather informations, I collect them, I research, and then I share those informations on my YouTube channel and on my online courses. So welcome to one of my online courses. This course is a part of my biggest online course, Stress Masterclass 8-week stress relief training. I decided to take and separate the whole one section from that course and make it to be one complete separated and free crash course. If you are interested in the whole course, you can go to my instructor page and find Stress Masterclass 8-week stress relief training, or I will leave you the link below at the end of this course. I decided to take the decision-making section because I think that decision-making is one of the tools that is most needed. We have so many things in our lives, we do so many things in our lives, we learn so many things, but we forgot to learn the basic things, like how should I improve my decision-making? And the first question is, why should I learn about decision-making? Well, that's something that we do every day. Every single day we have to make about 35,000 decisions. We have some simple decisions and we have some complicated decisions, life decisions, business decisions, relationship decisions. But all decisions that we make, they affect on our lives, they affect on our future. So it's a very, very important skill. And one another thing is that when we are not able to make the decisions, then it's really frustrating. We are frustrated, we are nervous, we are anxious, we are stressed out, and we cannot be happy, we cannot be relaxed. And that also affects on some other areas of our lives, family, partnership, business. So decision making is one of the most important skills that I consider we all should learn about if we want to improve our lives. And that's why I decided to make this free crash course about decision making and problem solving. So let's see what are you going to learn in this course. You will learn how decision making affects our lives. 4 ways we make decisions. Decision-making phases, obstacles in decision-making mistakes, and 5 most useful and effective decision-making and problem-solving tools. So basically we are going to be very, very focused, and this course will be very practical. I will show you how decision-making affect on our lives. We are going to learn about some different decision-making mistakes and obstacles, because sometimes we quit and we are not able to make that decision because we are not aware of those mistakes that we make while we make decisions, and we don't know how to cope and how to overcome those obstacles in decision-making process. So that will be the first part, and at the second part I will show you 5 most effective and most powerful and useful decision-making and problem-solving techniques that I use and that my clients use. And I also always give advices to my friends and my family when they have to make some decisions. I always give them these 5 tools because I saw that they are simply most useful. They are simple, but they are also science-based tools and techniques. And what is the most important is that you will be able to apply these tools into every area of your life, when you have to make some personal decisions, when you have to make some decisions in your business, about your business, when you have to solve some personal problems, or when you have some problems to solve for your business, your company. It doesn't matter, because I selected those tools from different areas. Some of them are very simple, and some of them are borrowed from the science-based books, and some models are connected with business, exactly business. And one of the techniques is basically used in a medical business. When they have to make some decision, they use that tool. One of the tools is made by a owner of the Toyota, and you will see they're very interesting and they're very useful. And maybe I'm talking too much right now. Let's go straight to the course. Welcome.